Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painted Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Yo, so how are y'all doing today? This is my second video of the day, as y'all can tell. You know, I'm in the same shirt. It's okay. Over here, it's pouring down raining. So, you know, I've been running in the rain back and forth. And even when I take my car to my mom's to see about her, I still have to get out my car. And I ain't got time for umbrella and all that. So, it is pouring down raining. I'm waiting for it to stop. But, oh my God, it's like it's never going to stop. God. So, decided I'm going to film since it's pouring down raining. And I have a little bit of time before I have to go back. So, I bought some stuff from Amazon. So, I'm going to unbag it for y'all. Just so y'all have something to look at. I hope all y'all are doing good. Thank y'all to all my new subscribers. I love y'all so much, y'all. Thank y'all. I love all of my subscribers, all of my viewers, all of y'all. And look, I love this community, period. Y'all know how I feel about y'all. I love y'all. I love the community, all the creators, the content creators that are so helpful to me. Thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. If I have not mentioned your name, like in the past, in my lives or whatever, please know that I know everybody that helped me and helped me, all my viewers, all my all the content creators that helped me. Thank y'all. Just thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all for my 1,000 subs. Thank y'all so much. As you all know, when I was on Shay's Live, I reached 1,000 subscribers. I think 1,002. I'm not sure. Alyssa could tell you more about it. But she was watching while we were live. And y'all, I just wanted to cry so bad. But I didn't want to cry like a big baby in front of everybody. So, and I did anyway. I really did. You can go back and watch the video. Me and Shay too. Shay cried. I got the chills. She had the chills. I cried. She cried. But, I mean, you know, it wasn't like bawling, but, you know, and I appreciate Shay for that. Like, she really pulled me through. And like I said, I have a lot of content creators that were helpful to me when I first started from the beginning. Like Diamond Painting with the Besties, Diamond Grandma, Maritza, Nana's Crafty Gems, Richard from Real Men Craft 2. Like, the list goes on, like, on and on and on. I can't even, so many people. And I'm thankful to have all of y'all as friends. And I'm blessed. Period. Now, if I didn't mention anybody, believe me, you're on the list. I just don't have the list next to me. But I do remember most of you guys. So I'm going to open this. Oh, y'all. Okay. This is not diamond painting related. This one right here. This. But I needed some watch bands. So I got me some watch bands, y'all. Check it out. But I hope they fit my watch because I'm a bit mad. I hope they fit. I got a variety of colors. So they're like beige, black, white, gray, like a light pink. You can't tell in here. This is from Amsky, A-M-S-K-Y. That's the name of these watch bands. And I did purchase these off of Amazon. And no, I purchased them with my own money. I don't even know if they know I'm doing a video on this. It just came together. So, you know. So that's why I'm doing the video. But I think they're so cool. I hope they fit my watch. There's some cute colors. Because I have this one on here. It's finished, y'all. It's just like literally finished. So we're going to see if this fits. But I think they're so cute. I'm going to put them out. Check them out, y'all. Let's check them out. Let's check it out. If I can open it. Good Lord, they're in a zip like baggie. The struggle is real. I can't even open it. So I'm going to have to cut it because I can't open it. Alright, so this color, which is almost the same color as I have, or if not the same color. And then a white. And like a light pink. it's like a pinkish, I don't know what. It's not what I thought. So y'all know I'm gonna have to go back and order me a pink one. Brown. I thought this was burgundy, okay, but it's brown. It's all neutral colors. A black. And another like beige color. So I really thought this one was pink, but it's not. So I'm gonna have to go find me a pink one because y'all know how I am about this kind of stuff. I like my pink. I like my pink. So that's that for that. They do have like multiple, like they come in, I think it's 6, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6 in a pack. They come 6 in a pack, okay? And you can choose which 6 colors that you want. Like they have 6 by 6s and they have different groups of assortments. They have like burgundies, greens, reds, pinks. That's a whole bunch of colors. I don't know why, but I thought this one looked more pinker. You know, it's not. So, back on Amazon to order me a pink one. I'm just going to order one though, like just pink. So, that's that. Now, this, however, is diamond painting related. So, let's open this package, shall we? Okay, no, I'm country. I ain't talking like that. No. Sorry. Sorry, but not sorry. Okay, let me see. Let's see if I could get this thing open. And y'all know I have 50 of these. I swear, no, I don't know how many I have. Probably 10. I don't know, 9, something. I don't know. I have a lot. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6, 7, 8. No, I have 9. This makes number 10. So that's how many whips I got. 9. I really don't have 9 though. I don't know why all those are kitted up. It might be I left some, maybe. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. But anyway, I might have 9, y'all. I might have to count. This 9, they're all full. So I'm guessing I have 9 then. So this is another one of these. You put your drills in with the little containers. It comes with all of this you see here. It comes with all this, which I don't need. Because, I mean, obviously I don't need that. It comes with diamond painting pens and baggies and a bowl and some wax and stuff like that. I might stick this in a giveaway as a part of, in a box because I'm doing hashtag Born Life 24 with Diamond Grandma. I'm co-hosting and I'm going to be giving away a goodie box like she does. So I'm going to stick just like a whole bunch of stuff in a goodie box. And this is probably one of the things I'm going to stick in the goodie box. Along with this little funnel. It's a collapsible funnel. So for your drills. So I'll probably put that in the goodie box. This has a mesh netting so you can put whatever you want to put here. And the jars are, I thought they would have been taller, but it's okay. I can live with that. It is what it is. These are probably gonna be, I have some that are taller. These are gonna probably be for, this specific one is for, budget-friendly diamond paintings because they're smaller. And so I probably can use, because this is 60 containers, I probably can use two budget-friendly kits in here if they're not more than like 30 and 30. So I can fit, in other words, I could fit 30 of one canvas and 30 of another canvas because they're 60 altogether. So that's why I bought another one, so I could use it for 2 different budget-friendly paintings instead of having to rush myself to complete a DAC one or a craftably one that's huge. I can kit up 2 budget-friendly ones in here. How about that, y'all? So that's what I got it for anyway. So it's basic, you know, it's the basic thing. I like it. It has a little collapsible handle and good for traveling and stuff, especially now that I go see my husband a lot more. Well, I'm trying to. My mother hopefully is going to be much better soon. She's already eating better. Well, she's already, yeah, I say eating. She's going to eat her first soft foods today. So hope for the best for that. Yes, hoping for the best. Yeah, so thought I'd share this with y'all, my little Amazon haul. I hope y'all have a good weekend because it is Saturday for me here in Louisiana, and it's a nasty, rainy Saturday, like I said. I am going to be filming more videos, and I will be going live tomorrow, Sunday, February 4th. Y'all join me on YouTube, on here. I hope all of you have a great weekend. Thank y'all for watching, and thank y'all for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so and hit the like button. Yes, I would really appreciate it. And I love y'all. Bye.